Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to get ready on camera. It is my birthday. I am officially 32 years young. So if you want to see how I created this full face look, just keep watching. And now it's my birthday, so we're gonna go in with a very long-lasting foundation, even though pretty sure I'm not going anywhere today. I'm gonna mix these two from Dior's, the Face and Body, 1N and 2W, but I'm gonna lean more on the 1N side. Puffin is in Puerto Rico. This is the third time he's been gone. So he left before my surgery in December. That wasn't a big surgery or anything, but he came back and then he left again. And then he came back the day before my knee replacement and now he's gone again. But he's going to be back in 3 days. So I think I'm actually going to celebrate my birthday when he gets back. What is your favorite cake for your birthday? Me? I'm not into cake. I just want icing. Usually Puffin gets me the chocolate rainbow chip icing. It's my favorite, and I have it in the fridge right now, and I will be scouring that thing down all day long because I just want the icing. I don't care about the cake. I just want the icing, and I love it. And that's pretty much the only time I will do that. Like the kids' birthdays and stuff, I'll eat the icing off the cake, but I never go and get a whole thing of icing and eat it. But on my birthday, oh yeah, that thing's gonna be gone. Calories don't count on your birthday. They don't. Concealer Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage in the shade Vanilla. I feel like this is getting better as it's been opened. So it's been open for a little while now, and I feel like I'm liking it a little bit more. Like I'm reaching for this a lot. So maybe it's like the opposite of the Tarte concealer, because like the Tarte one I love, like it's so perfect the first few weeks of use when it's brand new, but then when it starts to kind of dry up a little bit or it's been open, it's a little dry. This one, it's almost like it needs to be open for a little while, like a mascara. You know, like a mascara that's a little too wet. Huda Beauty powder in the shade Pound Cake to set underneath my eyes and bake. Some more news. So on the 8th, 3 days, right before I go pick up Puffin from the airport, I'm going into work. I'm going into work and I'm getting set up for Style Board. Now, if you've been with me for a long time, you probably, like some of you have shopped with me on my phone, and then they took away the app, and then people were still like, you know, I got a work phone to text on. Well, there's a new app and it's called Style Board, and I'm going to go get set up for it on the 8th. And then I'll be able to sell from my phone. I won't be able to like tell you what shade you'll be because I'm not going to be in the store. But I go to the doctor on the 14th, and if I can convince him that I can go back like part-time, I'm not ready for full-time yet. I know that. My leg definitely gets tired pretty easily, but if I can go back part-time, then I should be back like between the 15th and 20th. So that'll be nice. I never use this powder on camera, but it's my birthday, so we're going in with the original La Mer. I don't care. It's my baby, and it's my birthday. I'm gonna set my nose and the rest of my face with a Delium. You think I know the names of these by now. 974. Bronzer, Anastasia Rosewood, and a 127 from Zoeva. Time for number 11 and my by Terry dual powder in the shade number 4. I'm going to kind of contour my nose. I don't know why I say kinda. Like I am contouring my nose. Who am I trying to fool? This center shade on a Linda Hallberg 304. I'm going to highlight my nose with that. Just a little bit more subtle. Blush, Nars Madly, and a MAC 129. This is the natural hair version. I feel bad using them on camera, but like, I still like them. And then it is definitely a Dior Hollow Pink kind of day. Linda Hallberg 306. Sisley powder, Sonia Kashuk large powder brush to buff. Still loving this brush, but I'm going to wash it today. I don't even feel like it really needs to be washed, but I just want to see if it, you know, changes the texture of it at all. But I mean, this is a good brush. I bought a new one. I ran out and then I was like, no, I don't need to buy it again, but I did. I really did need to buy it again. So Air Flash Radiance Mist from Dior, set in this face. And that, my friends, is why I run out of it so quickly. For my eyes, I just want to do something that's very me. And you guys, I blame you for this so hardcore. I'm using the Hourglass Scatter Light Glitter Eyeshadow in the shade Smoke. I was waiting to see these in person because I was like, I don't need them, I don't need them, I don't need them. And then you guys kept saying something about it. I think I saw Samantha Ravindal had this shade and I was like, fine, and I bought it. I did. And then when I first saw it, I was like, ooh, it reminded me a lot of Chanel New Moon, but it's not. It's not the same. So we're going to put this on the lid today. And I'm just going to pair it with my go-to palette because that's my favorite. Today, a sad thing happened and I hit pan on one shade. I told you guys I would start hitting pan on it. You see this? That little shiny little dot? And it's not because I don't use this shade to set my eyes unless I'm going to use this palette. And it has happened. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Just wanna go ahead and tell you guys I used Married Life and I set from underneath the brow all the way down to the crease, but not the lid at all. Zoeva 234 and Smoke. I am tapping this onto the lid. I don't wanna like go back and forth because I wanna minimize the fallout. I'm basically gonna slowly just build this up. Look how pretty this is. It is so pretty. Just going all the way up to the crease. Wayne Gas number 17 and High School Sweetheart from the Zoeva, the Tarte Aspyn Ovard palette, going directly into the crease first, and then I'm going to work this up as my transition shade. MAC 221 and that same shade, I'm going to run it underneath the lower lash line. Same 221, I'm taking that and I swirled it in the Hourglass Smoke, and I am going to run this through the crease and then work it slightly upward so it makes the eye look bigger and more blended. That sounds so funny. I swirled it in smoke. I'm going to tap it on the lid one more time with the Zoeva 234 just to intensify it. MAC 219, and I'm going to run that right along the lower lash line as well. Small little tapping motions to get it into place. Also, I'm not putting it on the tip of my brush. I'm kind of laying the brush on its side and getting the product on there, and then that's how I'm putting it on the eye. If you go in with the tip, it's going to be harder. Dior Hollow Pink highlighter on the inner corner. And then I'm going to add liner to my inner rim up top only, and then mascara. Eyes are done, and now I went ahead and lined my lips. I used the Rimmel liner in number 49 Natural. I'm going for a nude lip today. I've been feeling a pinky nude, so haven't touched this one in a little while. This is from Natasha Denona, and it's the Shiny Formula number 13 Dark Nude, which is not dark at all. I'm going to put that right on top. And then the Marc Jacobs Gloss Stick in the shade Sugar Sugar. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me. Let me know if you did by giving a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. I may or may not have been eating this while filming. Who knows?